During phonics today, we're going to be continuing with Unit 4, Week 3. Yesterday, we ended our lesson with reviewing our sight words or trick words, the ones that we have learned already. So let's do that again. Repeat after Miss Frem. The, a, and, are, to, is, his, as, has, was, we, she, he, me, be. Today we're going to introduce two new trick words to our list. The first word is I, and the next word is you. Okay, so we're going to practice writing the word I. And we've talked about this during writing. When we write the word I, it's always capital. So when we're writing a capital I, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to point to the skyline. We're going to go down to the grass line. Then we're going to cross on the skyline and cross on the grass line. I. Let's try it again. We're going to point to the skyline. We're going to go down to the grass line, cross on the skyline, and cross on the grass line. I. Let's try it one more time. We're going to start on the skyline, go down to the grass line, cross on the skyline, then cross on the grass line. I. The next word we're going to write is you. You is spelled Y-O-U. So let's start with the Y. When we start our Y, we point to the plane line, we slide to the grass line, then we pick up our pencil and leave a space. So we're going to leave a space right here. We're going to point to the plane line and slide all the way down to the worm line. When we make our O, we are going to point to the plane line, trace back down to the grass line, and around back up to the plane line. O. When we make our U, we're going to point to the plane line as well. We're going to go down to the grass line, curve up to the plane line, and trace straight down to the grass line. U. U is spelled Y-O-U. U. Okay, so now we're going to read the sentences below. Can you spot the sight words or the new trick words that we learned this week? Circle the sight words in each sentence. So let's read the first sentence. I am happy. Do you see one of our new trick words? I see the word I. And it's definitely capital, and it begins the sentence. I am happy. The next sentence, let's read it together. Can you play with me? Do you see one of our new trick words? I see the word you. Now let's look at the punctuation in these two sentences. I am happy has a period at the end. I am happy. Can you play with me? There's a different punctuation mark at the end of this sentence. What is it? That's right, it's a question mark, because can you play with me is a question. Okay, so we're going to practice scooping. Now again, when we scoop, we're grouping words together so that we read more clearly. So I'm going to get my highlighter. I'm going to use blue today. It says read the sentences. Follow the scoops with a pointer as you read. Then we're going to circle the sight words that we see. So here's our first scoop, which means these two words need to be read together in a group. So let's practice it. I like to read. Let's read the next sentence. I like the truck. Let's read the third sentence. I like to skate. Great job. Now, let's get our pen and see if we can find some of our new trick words in the sentences. I like to read. Do you see one of our new trick words in that sentence? Here it is. It's the word I. Let's read the next sentence. I like the truck. Up. There's the word I again. I like to skate. There's our trick word I again. Tomorrow we'll practice more scooping. Today when you do your assignments, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out.